Hello, superstars. Welcome back. I am your virtual teacher, Mrs. Casilio, and I am pumped to be here with you again for some more learning. So today we are focused on fifth grade again. Whoop, whoop, fifth grade. We are in week 2, lesson 7. Let us begin. So just as a reminder, our guiding questions as we continue to do this work with our article and our thinking are all around how do natural disasters affect the people and places that experience them, and how can we prepare for a natural disaster? All right, the materials you will need for today's work. You're going to need our article again, From Battlefield to Cornfield, Using Drones to Track Twisters. You will need lesson 7, which is pictured right here. You will need the lesson 7 note catcher and a sharpened pencil. So if you need to get those materials, press pause and grab them and then come on back. All right, so our learning target for today, let's take a look at this. I can quote accurately from the text when explaining what the text says explicitly and when drawing inferences from the text. So let's unpack this together just to make sure that we are understanding. So this first part, I can quote accurately. So just means that you are pulling quotes directly from the text. You're not changing the way they say, you're accurately quoting them. And you when you're explaining what the text says explicitly, that again means explicitly what's in the text. And then you're drawing inferences. You're kind of coming up with your own ideas and conclusions based on what the text says, okay? So we're grounding all our evidence in the text. Okay, so you are going to grab someone and reread From Battlefield to Cornfield, Using Drones to Track Twisters. And the part that you're rereading is you're going to carefully reread the first 5 sections of the article. So grab someone, reread those first 5 sections. Go ahead and press pause, do your reading, and come on back. All right, now that you were able to reread those first 5 sections, I want you to think to yourself, take a deep breath. What were those sections mostly about? And how do these sections support the main idea of the article? Go ahead and press pause and do your thinking. Use your text. All right, so we were able to do some thinking. Now let's talk about this. So grab someone to have a discussion about, and remember that the main ideas are the big ideas the author wants you to understand and take away from reading the text, okay? So the questions are bulleted down at the bottom. So let's think about this. Discuss why using unmanned aircraft would be helpful in predicting tornadoes and saving lives. Discuss the cost of drones. What do you think about that? What does the article say about that? And discuss the reasons drones were not able to be used to track tornadoes. So you're going to discuss those 3 things, okay? Go ahead and press pause, have a rich discussion, and then come on back. Okay, so you've had a chance to reread those first 5 sections. You had a chance to think about them. You had a chance to have a great discussion, and now we're going to write about it. So let's take a look at our lesson 7 note catcher together. It's titled at the top, Lesson 7 Note Catcher. The directions say, read the first 5 sections from the battlefield to cornfield using drones to track twisters. Check, we did that, okay? Now we're going to answer the questions on the note catcher using our article. So if you take a look, there's 6 boxes. It says what, where, who, when, and then 2 that say additional facts. So let's take a look at this together. What is the average warning time? Look back in your article and find that answer. Which state is leading the charge? Who is working hard to test drones? When were changes supposed to take place? And then you have a spot to write 2 additional facts that you thought were interesting and maybe want to learn more about, or something that just made you say, okay? So go ahead and press pause. Take several minutes to complete this note catcher using your best writing. All right, rock stars, so you were able to do your writing. What I want you to do is share your writing with someone and tell why you chose to write what you did, okay? So go ahead and press pause, share your writing. And now that you've had a chance to share your writing, I want you to do one of my favorite things is just go read for 20 minutes. Find a newspaper, an article, a favorite book that you're reading, and go read for 20 minutes or longer. And then your fluency practice, you're going to practice reading the text with fluency and expression at least 2 times. So take this article, You can read it to yourself in the mirror. You can read it quietly to yourself somewhere quiet in the house if you can find a quiet spot if you're at home, and practice reading it 2 times. And again, the reason for this is so that you can start to see your fluency improve every time you practice. So by the end of the week, you can see your fluency number go up. Okay, I've had so much fun today reading with you and learning with you. I look forward to our work. Have a good day. Bye.